This is my foam cutter I designed. Got some ideas from YouTube. I always want to figure out how to cut foam. I build model airplanes. You look at my other video. So I put a straight bar from my fridge across the top here to my bookcase to support the bungee cord. I didn't think it was needed, but it's actually really important because it steadies your hand when you go to put it down to cut. It's really good. This was just $2 worth of wood from a lumber yard, and I put some bungees across the top with some screws. Keep the tension on the wire. The wire is a stainless steel wire. It's about 15, 25 thou. There's 15, there's 25 thou, 20 thou, variation, whatever makes you comfortable when you cut. This I think is 20, and you just get it from the model shop. Pay like 50 cents for it. Anyways, my power source is my Napa Auto Parts charger. This is a pretty big charger. It's heavy amperage, but anyways, if you go 12 volts at 2 amp charge, it is more than enough to cut foam. There's also a 12 volt 40 amp setting, but that's a little excessive. So I'm turning it on right now. I can only do a quick one here because I'm indoors. That's a 2 amp charge. You'll probably start to see it starting to heat up here. Just a second. All right, there's my foam, and it cuts it like butter. All right, now 40 amp is a little much. This is a 40 amp charge. As you can see, the whole wire starts to cut, but like butter. All right, whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. And it does a pretty good job. Like, it cuts everything pretty nice, straight. Anyways, a piece that I cut here earlier with my sister came out pretty decent. It cuts horrible, but it came out nice because actually it's harder. It's harder than the normally cut stuff with your saw, like or your whatever. As you can see, it leaves a dent. Not good. Here, it's hard, so it works out pretty good. And also, when you use the glass, you can you can tape up some pieces of wood, right, on each end. As you can probably see to the other side there's another piece. And all I'll do is put my cutter across the two of them and run my foam lengthwise or whatever across it, and it works like a planer because it's like, you know, a tiny little gap here, but it will work like a planer. Make sure I get a 100% flat, true flat surface. And then I cut my airfoil, and that's it. All the sides of the plane are pretty much, you know, hardened from the cutting. I'll post it when the whole machine is finished. Thanks.